If you're seeing Epic Games error code 83, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into Fortnite and start playing again. This error is usually related to connection issues, corrupted files, cache problems, incorrect system time, or even firewall settings blocking the launcher. The good news is that you can often fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling everything. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. It really helps the channel, and it also makes sure you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Let's start with the easiest fix first. Restart your network and the device. Fully restart your PC or console, and then power off your router or modem for about 1 minute. This gives your connection a fresh start and can clear temporary network issues that may be stopping Epic Games from connecting properly. Once everything has been restarted, try launching the game again and see if the error is gone. If the issue is still there, the next thing to do is verify your game files in the Epic Games launcher. Open the launcher and go to your library. Find Fortnite, click the 3 dots underneath it, and then choose Verify. Epic Games will now check your files for anything missing or damaged and repair them automatically. This is one of the most important steps because corrupted files are a very common cause of error code 83. Now let's clear the web cache. Sometimes the launcher stores old or broken temporary data that can interfere with logins and game launching. To fix that, you'll need to locate the web cache folder inside your Epic Games launcher data and delete it. Once the folder is removed, restart the launcher so it can rebuild fresh cache files. This often solves loading and authentication issues that cause error code 83. Next, make sure your system time and date are set correctly. If your clock is out of sync, Epic Games may have trouble verifying your connection or account. Open your device's date and time settings and turn on the automatic time and time zone syncing if it's available. If it's already on, toggle it off and back on again, then restart the device. A wrong clock can seem like a small issue, but it can cause login errors surprisingly often. After that, check your firewall settings. Sometimes Windows Firewall or a security program may block Epic Games Launcher or Fortnite from reaching the internet. Open your firewall or antivirus settings and make sure Epic Games Launcher is allowed through. If you recently installed a new security software, that can also be the reason the launcher is being restricted. Be careful here and only change trusted settings for the launcher and game, not your entire system. Once you've gone through these steps, try opening Epic Games Launcher again and launching Fortnite. In many cases, one of these fixes will clear the problem immediately. If the error is still showing up, repeat the steps once more carefully, especially the file verification and cache cleanup. And that's it. You now know how to fix Epic Games error code 83 using simple troubleshooting steps that actually work. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming repair tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.